Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do in the first, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here until you will find your apps, click on it. Then it's going to take you to apps like this until you're looking for Pinterest app, or just click on search. Add here Pinterest app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop. Click on OK. You're scrolling down here. Click on storage. You click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do next, you just go to your Play Store. Click on it here. Then here you search for Pinterest app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.